Good morning guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is peanut butter and chocolate chip muffins. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again, bye! So these are two extra large eggs. Inside the eggs, each egg has 2 yolks. So again, this is the 2 extra large of eggs with 1/4 cup of lilac jelly, 1/4 cup of smooth peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. We're just gonna mix this in our food processor until completely combined. For the dry ingredients, this is 2 cups of flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a generous pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix this, and then we're gonna pour our wet ingredients. I may have forgotten to mention sugar, about 1/4 cup of sugar. Just pour, and then we're gonna add 3/4 cup of milk, and then we're just gonna mix this until just combined, so do not overmix. Fill up greased muffin cups, and then we're gonna bake this at 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. You can bake it as is or you can top it with chocolate chips, but because I want to top it with chocolate chips, I'm gonna call it peanut butter and chocolate chips muffins. So if you like to make peanut butter muffins only, bake as is, but if you want to make it peanut butter chocolate chips, top them with chocolate chips. There you go. Again, 18 to 20 minutes, 400 Fahrenheit. Take out from the pan, cool and enjoy.